On YouTube, I'm a tech reviewer, but outside of YouTube, I'm also an IFBB Pro Lifetime Natural Bodybuilder. I've been competing for over 10 years, and one of the biggest challenges in bodybuilding is getting lean. Diet is a huge part of it, but the other part of it is cardio. And trust me, I hate cardio. But recently, I think I found a better, more enjoyable way of getting it done. If you've been looking for a high quality fitness bike, but you don't want to pay the price of a Peloton, look no further. So what I have here is my older bike. This is the new bike, which is Yesoul. I don't know how to pronounce it. Yesoul. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unbox it and then replace the other bike with this one. This is my old bike. Now this is the new one. This bike is pretty cool. Right now it's connected to my Samsung. This Samsung has the ability to run DeX. So DeX is what you're seeing right here, where I can use the mouse on the touchscreen on my phone to navigate this screen right here. Your experience is going to be the best if you have a Samsung phone that is capable of DeX. But if you have an iPhone like this one, this is an old iPhone that I have. As you guys can see, it still works. Full screen video, YouTube. I mean, it works with any phone that basically supports display output. And I can still see my workout data over here. And then from the bike itself, there's just so much high quality details. Just because you're paying less does not mean you're having a cheap quality bike. Look at the welds, just very well done. The bike itself has multiple adjustment part. Here you can raise the height up to whatever level you want. I have it on max, but if you want to lean forward a lot more or more, you can lower it. The chair, the seat part of it also is adjustable. As you can see, it has a lot of levels. The chair itself, the seat itself can move forward or backwards. And then the seat itself, in my box, came with this pad right here. It's a gel type pad. It feels a lot more comfortable than the actual seat, but this is the actual seat, and this one was included in the box. I don't know if it's included for everybody, but I would think so because it was in the same box. So yeah, I just put it on because I prefer this so far. The feet part right here, you can adjust the straps to whatever size shoes you wear or whatever feels better. If you don't like this part right here, you can unscrew it and remove this thing right here. Or like I had on my old bike, I had this right here which gave me more grip for my feet placement. But like you have this right here and you can easily remove it if you want. This is where you adjust the tension of the bike, how hard it is you want to pedal. And whenever you adjust this part right here, it's gonna show the level over here, which is showing right now 72, but it's gonna adjust the level and you can see it. Now there is a little bit of a lag or delay from the time you adjust it to the time you see it, but you can adjust it. And it has an emergency stop over here. I don't know why you would ever need an emergency stop on a fitness bike, but it does have it if for some reason you need it. The feet has wheels to make it easy to move around. My other bike also does have wheels, which is nice to see. I didn't expect anything less from something that looks just like or very similar to a Peloton bike. And the feet is also adjustable in case you have an uneven surface. You can adjust the feet. If you're in a situation where you're taking, let's say, a fitness class or you're watching a YouTube video for like planks or some kind of workout, you literally could have it facing you while you work out. Now I have a TV in here But if you don't have a TV in your garage or in your workspace or wherever it is that you have this bike, you do have that. And if you want to raise it back up, remember, the way you turn it around is the way you need to turn it back. So turn it back this way and you are good to go. And I love the fact that it is adjustable as far as the tilting angle and stuff like that.
Jag in round one, title shot next.
Shoulders back, rib cage down. You're not arching your back. You're just making sure the shoulders are back. Spine is long and neutral.
And what happens when you don't want to watch anything and you just want to see your workout? Well, you unplug your phone and the display itself is going to show you this right here. So it's not like you have to watch something. You can actually see the whole thing right here. Another thing I really love about this is, let's say you don't want to be indoors. You want to work out outside, right? You can pick up this bike. Roll the bike, with the wheels forward and put it outdoors and still get a workout in. The power plug is actually not needed for this bike for you to be able to get a workout in. The plug is for this display right here. What you can do if you want to get a workout in without power is you can just unplug it, take the bike outside. You will get a workout. You can adjust your tension over here and it will still adjust even without power. You just would not get a display, which is perfectly fine, because if you're riding a bike outdoors, you're not gonna have no display. You're not gonna have a display anyways. Man, I love this bike so much. I can't tell you how much I recommend this. Now, there is one thing that I wish this bike had that this one doesn't, and that is a heart rate scanner. My other bike, as you're working out, you simply hold on to this and it's gonna give you your real-time heart rate. Real-time heart rate allows you to easily stay in your workout zones. Well, this one does not have a heart rate scanner. So you don't have a way of measuring your heart rate typically. Now, I actually use this for my workout, my heart rate scanner. And because this is Bluetooth, you can actually link this to the equipment. I believe to the equipment or to your phone, whichever one it is. I know that I saw in the app, you can link your heart rate scanner, but I still would have liked for this to have its own native Bluetooth, heart rate tracker. But other than that, this thing is literally perfect. They have a Black Friday sale going on right now. I highly recommend this. Get one.